Welcome. Today we compare cordless versus electric pressure washers to help you choose the best one for your cleaning needs. Choosing between cordless and electric pressure washers depends on your cleaning needs, location, and convenience preferences. Both types deliver efficient cleaning power, but they differ in performance, mobility, and use cases. Cordless pressure washers are powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, offering excellent portability and freedom from power outlets. They are lightweight, easy to set up, and safer to use in wet areas since no cords are involved. Cordless models can draw water from various sources such as buckets, lakes, or rain barrels, making them ideal for remote or off-grid cleaning. However, they generally provide lower power output, typically under 1000 psi, and have limited battery runtime. They are best suited for light to medium cleaning tasks such as washing cars, bikes, outdoor furniture, patios, and camping gear. In contrast, electric pressure washers plug directly into a power outlet, providing continuous and consistent cleaning performance. They typically offer higher pressure and water flow, ranging from 1300 to over 2300 psi, making them perfect for heavier cleaning jobs like driveways, fences, siding, and large patios. Electric models are quieter and require less maintenance but are restricted by power cords, limiting mobility and flexibility. In summary, cordless pressure washers excel in portability and convenience for smaller, mobile tasks, while electric pressure washers deliver more consistent power for larger, demanding cleaning projects. The right choice depends on whether you value freedom of movement or sustained, high-performance cleaning power. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at 10supplies.com or email us at sales@10supplies.com.